Jamaica Reggae Boyz unveil powerful Gold Cup squad, Bailey and Richards among key inclusions. The anticipation for the upcoming CONCACAF Gold Cup intensifies as the Jamaica Reggae Boyz reveal their formidable squad for the tournament in the United States. Led by head coach Jaime Hallgrimsson, the team showcases a perfect blend of experience and youthful talent, with some exciting additions making their mark. In the goalkeeping department, the boys boast the exceptional skills of Andre Blake, Jamali Waite, and Konia Boyce-Clark. Their shot-stopping abilities will undoubtedly be crucial in the team's quest for success. The defensive line showcases a formidable lineup, featuring Amari Bell, Deshaun Bernard, Adrian Mariappa, Dexter Lembakisa, Damian Lowe, Javane Brown, and the ever-reliable Kemar Lawrence. With their defensive prowess and tactical awareness, they aim to keep opponents at bay. The midfield is a blend of creativity and control, with Kevin Lambert, Jonathan Russell, Joel Adebodiere, Bobby Reed, Daniel Johnson, and Kaheem Paris dictating the tempo and orchestrating play in the middle of the park. Their vision and passing range will be instrumental in creating scoring opportunities. Up front, the Reggae Boyz possess a formidable attacking force. The inclusion of Nikhil Antonio, Shamar Nicholson, Leon Bailey, Corey Burke, Dujuan Richards, and Demarai Gray adds an element of speed, skill, and clinical finishing to the squad. The combination of experience and youthful exuberance is set to electrify fans and unsettle opposition defenses. All eyes will be on the dynamic duo of Leon Bailey and the promising young talent Dujuan Richards. Bailey, a proven Premier League star, brings his electrifying pace and trickery to the Reggae Boyz. Richards, on the other hand, is a rising star who has already displayed his immense potential on the international stage. Their inclusion in the squad is a testament to their abilities and the faith placed in them by the coaching staff. As the Gold Cup draws near, Jamaica's Reggae Boyz aim to make their mark on the tournament. With a squad boasting talent, experience, and a hunger for success, they are ready to battle against the region's finest. The Jamaican faithful eagerly await their team's performance, hoping for a memorable campaign and a shot at glory. Stay tuned for more updates, analysis, and highlights as we bring you comprehensive coverage of the Gold Cup. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for exclusive videos and interviews. Join us on this thrilling journey with the Reggae Boyz. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section.
Like, subscribe, share, and drop a wall go in the comment section when you subscribe. Also, don't forget to visit us at allsportsjamaica.com.